Okay. These are all of them fish and things, you see? These are good.
For over 30 years, Paul and his mother, Miss Marcia, has been cooking up amazing and delicious street food at Torrington Bridge in Kingston. His amazing saltfish and tomato technique have customers returning from all over. This is a mixture of hot scotch bonnet peppers, onions, and tons of tomatoes. Steamed to perfection on an open coal fire for a few minutes, then served with slow roast yellow yam. Also on the menu, his pot of cowskin and beef soup boiled in a huge pot of round red and A1 peas with tons of yam, dumplin, and other ground provisions. We'll also try his boiled corn with freshly huxed coconut. That's also a traditional street eat here.
Ah, like this. I'm going at the pot. These are the vibe.
And most Jamaican favorite, the popular boiled land crab. Boiled in tons of scotch bonnet peppers.
Well on, so what are these I use?
Yeah, the whole of the pepper you use.
2 pounds of crab for the ball.
2 pounds of pepper and 5 dozen, because it's 5 dozen crab, you know.
2 pounds of pepper on it?
Yes, man, because you want the people to taste the pepper in the crab.
Scallion, thyme, and pimento. We're now heading into the crab season in Jamaica, so this is the perfect start and the perfect spot to get freshly boiled and well-seasoned land crabs to eat on the street. I'm Mick, and this is Yard Life's Good.
Tampa, Florida.
Oh yeah?
Come eat soup and corn and yam.
Yeah. Oh
At
yeah.
the big man base.
Oh,
bless
yeah.
up, bless up.
Oh yeah, blessings every time. Oh man, it has been an amazing vibe, an amazing journey. I'm back in Kingston on the streets. It's an amazing vibe being here. It's early in the morning and I'm at this crazy food spot. A few of you guys might have watched the previous episodes where I'm in the country areas, in the bush. I've been way up in the hills in Mount Prospect. I've been in St. Elizabeth. A lot of you guys might see the goat videos. If you want to see the goat video and that those bush videos, yo, crazy journey, man. Crazy epic vibe. And right now we're there in the streets again, eating food, because that's the thing. When it comes to Jamaican food, you can't get enough of that Jamaican food on the streets or inside of the restaurants. Crazy epic vibe. I'm here on Torrington Bridge at Paul and his mother spot, where you get the crazy. This is where you get that crazy yam with saltfish, that corn, that amazing crazy technique where Sir Paul put in right here at the spot. And you know, a lot of you guys might have use steam right at that spot over there. But as you can see right now, a wall built up right there, so I'm not there right at the spot there again. But he's at the same spot. He's not there at the spot there, but he's at the same spot. Look, you can see that little cutout there over there, so that's exactly where Father Paul is. So a lot of you might drive past here, so he was right there, right at the corner right there. And tons of people driving past and don't even know say him actually move to that little spot right there. A lot of people driving past can't get them soup, can't get them corn, can't get them saltfish with the yam, with all of that tomato. Oh God. But we're there at the spot just across from Father Paul, and we are gonna see the technique, we are gonna see the cooking, we are gonna see the whole authentic vibe. A lot of things blazing up over there right now. Yam on the fire, crab go there, corn go there, crazy amount of stuff. So we're there, and yeah man, we're there in the streets of Kingston. Let's go on Torrington Bridge. Father Paul and his mother. Yes man. Let's head over to the spot right now. Yeah man, let me show you our spot. Oh yeah, the street is busy in the early morning. A lot of kids going to school. A lot of people pushing out to the work. Oh yeah, Father Paul over there, so. Yeah man. That was where, right where the car parked. That was where he was at the first time. But because the wall build up and thing, a lot of people tend to, make it run across the road. Oh yes, this is the vibe right here. This is the vibe right here. Look on that. Yeah, man. Father Pay.
I know it's two different pieces and put in a pot.
Two different pieces.
Yeah, man. It's the A1 and it's the round red.
Oh,
Round red. So this different, look different from this one.
Wait.
This is the A1.
Wait, the geese soup are different taste?
Yeah, no, body up the
Oh,
soup.
but
I
true,
don't know, it's all the soup thick and nice, and as I said, it gives a different taste.
True. So what kind of soup there for a minute today?
Alright, it's a red pea soup with cow skin.
With cow
and
skin?
beef, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Season wash and throw in a pot now. Everything we are going to put, and it's a the round red now, are going in a pot.
Oh, so two of them going at one
yeah,
time?
man. Put them in a pot. Yeah, man. Put it up and throw in a pot. So. Now the pot, cow skin, you know, you have to clean them up when you get them.
Yeah.
In the ear and anything, the cow skin and the beef.
True.
Yeah.
Make sure I'm proper.
Yeah, man, make sure them proper clean off the ear and nothing up on them and go in the pot.
People them come get them soup from here in a circuit.
Yeah, man.
Them know say a quality them a get.
Yes, man.
Oh God, man. Look at that. Look good.
Holy pot skin, there's so much cow skin going in the pot. Holy pot skin.
Olive.
Yes, and on 1 pound, 15 pound of skin every day in the pot.
Every single day?
Every day. And the people them want a whole pot of cow skin in them soup, you know.
Oh God,
People
man.
them fight for the cow skin in the worst, it's a soft and nice.
Oh God.
Yeah, man, people them fight for the cow skin, man.
Wow.
You have to have whole pot skin in the pot.
True. Nah, short change them.
Nah, short change them, no time, not day at all.
Oh God.
See him amount of skin every day.
Oh God.
Man left from way come from cow skin, you know. Want him whole pot skin.
Just like animal get it.
Oh, yeah, that's them,
Oh
man.
gosh, man.
That's them
Amazing.
keep on coming on.
True.
You know him come and get the real cow skin for them.
True.
Nice cow, clean cow skin.
That's the thing with Father Paul. The money have no quality. You understand? The money have no quality. When you come and say you actually get where your money's worth, get where you forget. Yeah man, no short change. You get the real deal, the cow skin, a lot of cow skin. Yeah man, now look up one piece in your cup, you get the real deal right. That's a crazy authentic vibe at Torrington Bridge. Yes man, it's an amazing spot. If you never come check out Father Paul and his mother at this spot, you don't miss out, man, I tell you. Crazy, it's always been a vibe checking out the foods right here. Yes man. Oh yeah, amazing.
Yeah,
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, yeah man.
And sweet potato. Look on
The
that.
boy them yeah, clean up now for going at the food, going
Oh,
at the pot. Yeah man, the boy them in the pot.
them there.
Yeah man.
Them
wash
there.
off themselves, you know, for clean up.
They say them a clean up themselves.
Yeah man.
Forget another little beard off, look
yeah,
more.
little more
I
from
go
this
straight
now,
into the pot.
Alright, don't line
Oh,
up
yes.
the pot now, we rub them off.
Oh yes.
Again, any more dirt left on them, we rub them off.
Yes.
You know the people them like so when they crab them clean, you know.
True.
They want to see the whole dirt on them.
Give them a proper clean up.
Simple, because the crab have to go in their mouth, so we have to clean off the crab.
True.
Yeah, man, throw a whole of water and use sponge and sponge them out.
Amazing. Yeah, Father Paul, I love how you take care of the people. Man.
Yeah, man.
Just love how you
Yeah,
always.
remember, you have to keep it real, you know.
True.
No short change.
True.
People them like the dirty crab, them like the clean crab, them.
I have been always doing that from ever since.
Ever since.
How much years are they at
Ever since.
How much years are they at Torrington Bridge now?
Well,
Father P?
Frankly, from left school, my grandmother did it there here. With them monks, my grandmother, when I do nothing else, I go she me let them monks to drop out. So I look at I roughly around 30 odd years now.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do
I'm
this?
a teenager, I'm there. And then me like taking about my them monks, my grandmother, the market,
True.
carry the bag for her, and know the ropes and the thing, go pick
True.
up the meat
True.
and thing.
True.
So it does come like another a simple thing for me, do you know? Because me done in it for long.
Done in it from them time.
Yeah. Grandmother
Whoa.
changed it, so I just continue with it.
Amazing Father
Yeah,
P.
man. Show me how to buy the yam and thing. Show me how to buy stuff at market.
So from the buying process, the money process comes straight up to the cooking process. You have that luck.
Have that laugh.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. And a play thing.
Not change, you know.
True.
No authentic seasoning in the pot, you know.
True.
No authentic seasoning, no powder thing.
True.
Natural thing with David.
A lot of natural seasons.
Yeah,
Wow.
they just a scallion and thyme and my garlic.
Oh, wow.
They beat up my garlic, chop on my skin, my peas, make them go and boil and all.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Right in the peace pot.
Yes, man.
Oh, God, man. This is one you can expect. When you pull up at Father Paul's place, yeah, man, Paul and his mother just know say, you know I get quality. Tons of tomato right here. Father P, tomato there I get lower.
Yeah, man.
Gosh, man. Tomato there I get lower. Look at that. A lot of tomato. You know, I go see all of that.
And the scotch pan, the peppers them.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Hot pepper them?
Yeah,
Oh, them
man.
are big, sir.
Yeah, man.
Cheese and peas. So a lot of this for the crab. Whole heap of this are going at the crab. Amazing technique. You can look out for quality when you stop at this spot. Paul and his mother. You see the peppers, you see the tomato. Oh, that saltfish cook up. You can see the whole process. It's a crazy vibe here. This is one of the thing on the menu that a lot of people stop here for. That tomato. That tomato cook up with a lot of onions, a lot of brown seasoning, and that saltfish, or that saltfish go up on the fire and roast off, get that burnt edge and that smell, that smoke smell, and then go right into that tomato. So it have that just imagine it. Crazy. When I can see the whole process. It's a vibe here at Torrington Bridge. Yeah, man.
Or I get soak the saltfish, them, they keep them in some water for a couple. Get out some of the salt.
You soak it.
Yeah, man.
So you soak it first before
Yeah, man.
you put it
Yeah,
on the
man.
fire.
Yeah, man. Because remember say people don't want it too salt, you know, you can't make the saltfish too salt.
True.
People them want less salt, you know, the saltfish, so we have
True.
to try it. Soak
Limit.
it. Yeah.
True.
Come on in time, I'm normally throw them in the water.
True.
Throw water upon them and left them.
True. Wow, whole heap of saltfish this, you know?
Yeah, man. Hold up.
The people them look out for it at daytime, not true?
Yeah, say, man.
People them look out for them
Look out for the
saltfish.
man saltfish, man. Yes, sir, man. The saltfish, the people them want a whole for saltfish, so you have to have boxes of saltfish.
So you have to have boxes of saltfish.
Yeah, you know the customers come and say, boy, want more saltfish.
One more saltfish.
Yes,
And you're not gonna tell them no.
No, sir.
Oh God, man. Remember the people them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh, man.
Keep the thing going there if you don't know.
True. Oh,
But them
amazing.
left and go tell a friend they can get yam and saltfish. You know, for
Oh
that
yeah.
country, you know.
Oh yeah.
Right in that town, yeah.
True.
Come up and you get roast yam and saltfish.
Come up, Paul, and you get roast yam and saltfish.
Right there.
Yeah, man. Crazy vibe here.
Roast corn, roast yam and saltfish, everything is big time ready up there, man.
Oh.
Cow skin, soup, boiled corn.
Oh yes.
Yeah, man.
The whole works.
Good works I get beef.
Yes, man.
Cow skin and going in the pot and all the peas and pumpkin everything and go and boil.
Whoa. Just like that.
Yeah, man.
Alright, lock him up there, make him go out.
Yeah.
Oh God. Lock you up there. And just look how the pot them shine. Just look at this. You can literally see yourself in the pot. Like a mirror reflect. Amazing.
Yeah. Yam them start to burn you now, so you know yam soon ready. See yam a roast, sweet potato roast.
So that's the color where you want to see.
Yeah,
That
man.
type color.
Yeah, man.
Once they start look like that, you know they might take time to
Yeah, see it?
Ah,
Everything
dear.
will take time to come.
Ah, dear. Yes, man. Yes.
Sweet potato, everything will take time.
Yes.
And you can't roast yam on a big fire, put it on a small fire.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it just burn, you want it soaked
You
too.
want it soaked
True,
too.
true,
You can't
true,
make
true.
the yam burn.
True.
And you take a stack in the big light, don't soak. So you put it on a
Nice.
small rim fire like this.
True.
Take him time.
True.
You
You are the pro, you know. You are the pro, you know. Oh,
You go see
God.
it.
Amazing technique.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
A man have drive up and down and say, boy, yeah, he must come look for the yam and saltfish. But when him pass, him come back around and sit and see me.
True.
Yeah, so when they right here, man.
True.
Come around the wall and look in and look at that house.
Oh yeah.
They right, the nice more scotch here, you know.
Oh gosh,
They
man.
have a whole pepper, you know, so the food have spicy and nice.
Oh
They
god.
have all different scotch here.
Oh
This is
god.
the dasheen, you know, a them thing.
For the soup.
Yeah, man, a them thing going at the soup.
That's in for soup.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, P.
Nice. Yes, blessed morning. Oh yes.
Yeah,
Now we have a lot of can right there, so.
Yeah, man. Everything.
Oh yes, a can. Whole heap of can. So boiled can, roast can. Oh, you don't know the thing. See there? Oh yeah.
Dasheen and the yam, them, I know them are going at the soup.
Oh
That
yes.
soup food,
So that's in a yam for the
yeah,
soup.
the real pum pum yam, them yam.
Oh yes.
Round pum pum yam. them
Yes,
tick up the
yes.
soup.
Tick up the soup.
Yeah, man.
Gosh,
Them
man.
yam they will put in the soup.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Over scotch and onion and tomato.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Boy, I love how you cut up your tomato them for the part.
Yeah.
So yeah, when you eat, you get these big
Yeah.
chunks of tomato.
Yeah, because you don't know, you don't want to cut them too small. Them are just mince out.
Them are go, and you don't want that. You want the
No.
people them taste,
Yeah, like
eat,
them
the, eat it.
tomato and onion.
Oh.
Yeah, man. You don't cut them small.
Oh God. Well, I mean, he's not really an onion man still, you know.
Yeah, it's
But
tomato.
oh yep, I love tomato, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh, but this mixture is amazing. Oh, you do it like a mountain. Jesus.
Yeah. But people come and love this, you know. People come and just want tomato and onion and no fish, you know.
Oh, just like that?
Just like that.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. So you have a whole palette.
Whole heap of that.
Yeah. Whole palette
Oh.
onion and tomato.
True. I have the people who just wanted just the seasoning.
Just this onion and the tomato.
Whoa.
With them you roast yam and salt.
With the yam.
Yes.
Oh gosh.
So enough onion and tomato.
Oh gosh, man. And every single day, people can come at this spot and get this.
Everything good day.
Especially this spot right here.
Every day.
Wow.
This is a most of the day. When tomato are 800, 700, still have to buy a lot of tomato.
Still have to buy it.
Still have to buy it. Now it come down, it's a dry to me, I give me customers them more.
More.
to get him
Whoa.
tomato. As you see it, one
Whoa.
scandal bag of tomato is over here.
Wow.
Yeah, man. A
Yes,
lot of
man.
tomato.
Tomato can't done.
Tomato can't done. That's
Wow.
the flavor with the yam, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Gosh, man. All of this I go up on the fire.
All of
and-
this
and-
I go up on
and
the
just
fire, you know.
Taking time
Taking
and
time,
cook down.
steam,
Steam
yeah.
down. And it
And
not,
we're not cooking it down. and
exactly,
make it-
that's what I was going to say.
Yeah, not
It not
cooking
gonna
it
cook
down.
right
So you
out.
know it's just onion and tomato.
Yes.
Everything here so you can eat raw.
Same
You just
way.
totally make it have a little steam down, like you
True,
take it off
true.
of the fire.
True.
As me tell you, so you don't want it sappy.
True.
You want the tomato them stand up same way.
Me.
Rasta man get the fire here ready and now for the tomato and onion now.
Oh, so right, that's why it's steam and steam now.
Yeah, it is. And the yam them almost have come to perfection. You know.
Oh, gosh. Whoa. More pepper.
More pepper.
Oh, God.
You know, people come and ask for that.
Yeah, man.
The right here, same way.
Same way.
Paul.
Same.
Nothing don't change.
Same Father
Yeah.
Paul, man. Amazing.
So
Man.
on a wall build up and with the right here, same way.
Only a wall below.
On a wall build up and with the right in a slap.
Same way.
More safe for everything.
More
Up,
safe.
Yes, man.
Off the street. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
man.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Nice.
Stand fire.
Oh. So that just I go sit down this and
That
the
just
little
sit
eat
down
you
and
know.
do them warming thing.
Wow. So in this pot we have the mixture of the saltfish,
Yes.
this tomato,
Yes.
onion,
Yes.
scotchy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Everything
we don't miss
right
nothing
there.
else.
No,
Oh,
yeah,
God.
right there. Yeah, man.
That's a vibe.
That's a vibe.
That's a vibe. Lock him down there.
So this go with the roast yam and the sweet potato.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Nice. Lock him down there. Oh, that is it. That is it. Wow.
You have two types of the sauce. You have the one you cook up. And you have prepare the roast one only. We get out some of the sauce. You can roast it and have it, the customer come.
Yeah.
Them don't want
No grease or no oil or nothing.
Get the
Them
dry
get the
saltfish,
oh.
no grease or nothing at all.
Whoa, nice, nice.
Butter, whole skin and butter too. Broke, you know, whole heap of peas, you see it, whole heap of peas.
Gosh, man.
Whole heap of peas in a pot.
One piece,
Straight
man.
that, you know, whole
Yeah,
heap of
man.
peas, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Now half pound of peas in a big pot, you know.
What you say, no half
No
pound?
half pound of feed,
Now
10
the-
pound of peas every morning, every day.
10 pound?
10 pound of peas.
Whoa.
Yes, man. 5 round red and 5 A1.
Five,
Mix the
bro.
peas.
5 a each.
5 a each. Boil corn, them and drop in the pot.
Oh, yeah. This is the spot. Amazing wild corn, amazing soup, amazing crab, amazing roast yam, amazing saltfish. These are the spot, man, in Kingston, right? That's upon Torrington Bridge. Yeah, man.
Shell food we are dealing with, you know, those natural everything.
Natural.
Everything, man. We tell you natural everything.
So no bag
No bag of
powdered
season.
seed.
No. See there?
Them are your season.
Yeah, I check up the thing now for going on my crab again.
Oh.
Chewing on my scallion and thing. Remember shell thing me I deal with it, that's some good shell food man.
Shell food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crab me
So
a
them are the
boil.
main thing.
Yes man.
Yes, man.
The scallion and your thyme and your seasoning.
Oh, that. And you have tons of them, you know, playing for the part.
Yeah, man, that's how we go to market every day, you know.
Every
Get
single
fresh
day.
thing, you know.
Every single
Some
day.
scallion them fresh and nice.
Even the crabs, every
Simple,
every
every
single
day.
day. Once
Every
once
day.
the crab not there, that mean the crab just not there.
Simple, no crab
It
not
have to
there.
be fresh crabs
Every day,
Whoa.
every day.
Whoa.
Every day.
Whoa.
Every day we get no crab.
Jeez and peas. And it's a market man every single
Every day,
morning.
man. Every morning.
Jeez and peas. Oh, no, going to pot soon. Now going to pot soon, you know? Yeah, man.
Crab pot you are lying up there now. See, they're all about the crab. This is
Oh,
just
yeah.
2 pound of pepper milk.
2 pound of pepper?
Yeah.
Oh. You know use the whole of that though?
See? Me not overdo it.
Okay,
I do
okay.
it. Nah. The reason why you put the 2 pound on it, because it's 5 dozen crab.
Well on, so what of this I use?
Yeah, the whole of the pepper you may use.
2 pound of crab for the ball?
2 pound of pepper and 5 dozen, because it's
Two.
5 dozen crab, you know.
2 pound of pepper for it?
Yes, man, because you want the people to taste the pepper in the crab.
Jeez.
Not overdo it. I mean, I want it overdo it, I burn them up. I don't want
Yeah.
them taste the crab, the place pepper.
So
I
this
know-
is the amount where I gonna make the
Simple.
people them.
Simple.
What?
Yeah, because they burst them up.
Yeah,
burst
yeah,
them
yeah.
up and throw in the pot.
Yeah,
right,
that's the
you know.
technique.
Yeah. Mash them up and make you see that, you know.
Oh
Mash up.
gosh. 2 pound of crab on the 2 pound of pepper pan. How much does the crab? 5?
5 dozen, yeah.
2 pound of pepper on the crabs.
Yeah.
2 pound of pepper. Whoa.
Pepper.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. 2 pound of pepper for the
2 pound
crab.
of pepper to the crab. Yeah,
Whoa.
5 dozen crab. So you have to make it bit spicy, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
People want to taste the pepper for the crab. Not overdo it if you burn up the body mouth. but
Yes.
People want to taste the pepper for the crab.
Amazing.
Alright. I come to perfection.
Oh
See?
yeah, them at the end time I come
Yeah,
here
you
now.
see it?
Look on that.
Ready, I'm ready up and now.
Yeah, man.
Every day thing right here.
Every single
Every
day.
day. Except, yeah.
Oh yeah.
No
Except
Saturday.
Saturday.
No Saturdays.
Except Saturdays.
Saturday day off.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See it?
So right through the week, from Monday to Friday, them can come and get these.
Yeah, man.
Especially the yam and the sweet potato.
Yeah,
Look
man.
on that.
Right here. Ready up.
Yeah, man. Nice. I see the crab pot over here, so I go and a little time. I heat up on the fire. See the crabs. See the crabs in here. wanna clean them, you take your time, you know. You take out every single strand, you know, mommy. Jeez, yes, man.
You know what? Not going at your teeth, you know?
Yeah, true. You know what? None of them string there. You take your time and clean them out properly. Look at that, man. What do you call them pretty, man? Like a machine to clean them. Call them pretty like a machine to clean them. Every little strand to come off. Yes, man. Amazing.
Big and nice, you know, man.
Nice, that's all?
Big and nice.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
Nice, man. Yeah, man.
Them doing a pot.
Kind of ready up.
Oh, yes. The pieces in them there, boy, along with
Yes, man.
Jeez, please, man.
Seize
Yes,
up the
man.
corner.
Yeah, man. What up here?
Yeah.
What's the hardest thing to get out of the way first?
Honestly, we get it out well, the soup.
The soup. That
Yeah.
take a
Cause you
and
know,
that have
say,
to deal it proper.
yeah, that have it. You have to cut up the food them.
Yeah.
You have to deal with it, clean up the cow skin.
All of them.
Yeah, cause you know the crab, you just want, you come with the yam, set up the fire, put on the yam, cut up the season, and that I just see it, them they're almost already. But the
Almost
soup,
already.
Yeah, the soup are the more technical part. I know so you have it soup up here.
True.
Taste right amount of season and thing.
True.
Everything else you don't know crab. Two, at the water hot, we can start clean up.
Yes, a
crab.
tutus.
Yeah, man, two.
And the real Jamaican yard lifestyle, I think the tutus and them that.
Man, two, crab class,
Yeah, man.
At the water get and I chill, we can start drop them in.
Can drop them in.
Yeah, because you don't want them jump out, that's why me all wait.
Yeah.
You know them boy, they will jump out that pot. Yeah, so we need to chill liquor when they take them in those. Yeah, man.
Yeah, for true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But the soup are the more technical, I just say.
True.
Because you see my dash in and thing, I forgot peel up.
I forgot peel up.
Yeah,
man. And everything almost ready. Because yam, you have yam even ready already.
Yeah, no, it wants soak.
Want soak in more.
Yeah.
But
yeah, this
almost,
time,
almost ready.
Yeah, man.
Everything I take them little time.
Saltfish pick up on this already, everything I take time because it have one from the bottom, the pot well out.
Yeah.
See, so you know, it take time still.
Oh, yes. Yeah, man. So I just say soup.
That's the soup, but
Yeah, man. But everything else is smooth.
I just see the can too.
Yeah. Can I take?
Can,
Oh, look
simple.
on pot of heat, man.
Yes.
Look on steam.
Alright, this is
Yeah,
the
man.
can.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Everything I'll
Yeah, man.
all of it.
What up here? Easy, the man. Look, the man.
See them on.
Cheese and peace. Cheese and
Don't
peace.
see them here. Live.
Cheese and peace. Live.
Yeah, man.
Live.
Of the dirt.
Oh,
Everything
gosh.
live are going on fast.
Oh, gosh, man.
Yes, man.
See, you make me hold one of them too?
Yeah, man, you can't make it
Why?
all
Yeah, I'm afraid I ain't for the pay.
Yeah, man, you can't do nothing more.
Can't do me nothing.
No, sir.
Spam
Make
hold.
a hole from here, sir.
Let's hold from the back of
Hold the
him.
back of him here, sir, now. And then you
Hold
feed
on,
him.
hold on, catch it.
When you hold him and feed him. You
Hold him.
Said way, sir. Yeah.
Hold him said yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
Can't do
him
it,
nice.
no. Can't do it.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Can't do it, nothing right there, sir.
Oh, gosh.
Can't do
And
it.
me and him this.
Yeah.
Me and him this. These are the vibe. Yeah, man. Father P ain't easy, no?
Yeah, man.
Father P give me a crab in a man and I say, hold this.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man, he can't do me nothing.
Can't do it, nothing.
Just
sir.
like
Yeah,
this.
Hold him 9 back, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Can't do it.
Once you hold him in them back.
Once you hold him 9 back.
Oh, yeah, him clear. Touch me still.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure that him, you know.
Yeah.
But we love eat them.
Yeah.
All of this are going at the pot.
Yeah.
All of this are going at the pot. These are the vibe. Yes, man. Can't do
And comfortable, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because the car can't come over
Come
the
over.
back, so.
Yeah, man.
See? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. We have the yams them right here. I go and take them time. Now they eat. Father Paul over there, so I go and drop some crab in the pot. It's an amazing vibe here at the spot. Yes, man. Hold on on the pepper and I look on this. Yes, sir.
People always ask me how I crab them clean, so I'm going to tell them to bathe them.
You beat them.
Yeah.
Beat them with all rock.
Yeah, man.
You don't want to joke thing.
Yeah, man, we bathe the crab.
Beat them,
man.
make sure them proper clean up. Oh, yeah. Oh, this one is huge. This one is huge. Whoa.
Man,
Right in there. Right in there, boy. Oh gosh.
Full of egg.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that smell.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that smell.
Yeah, man. See peas and everything in the pot already. The type of truth one.
Amazing. Boy, Father Paul opened that soup pot just now. I mean, I tell you, so that smell will jump out of that. Jeez, peas.
Peas.
Smell. Oh, the smell will jump out of that. Oh gosh, man. Yeah, smell that good old pimento. Yeah, smell all of that seasoning. Oh gosh, that steam just box me all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a good box. Yeah, man. That one look good, man. Jeez, man. Hey, you be them, man.
Yeah, man.
Jeez, I'm pleased for the people, man.
Yeah. Anyone
gosh,
see
man.
we go for dirt, you know, wash off that work
Yeah.
from it off.
Give them another rubber.
Yeah, give them a rubber.
My jump. My run.
Jump up.
Am I run?
Yeah.
Am I run? Yeah, make them jump out. More seasoning food now. One more. One more. Oh God. Oh God.
Which is the last time you come make them a smaller pot. Yeah. You never get a bigger pot now.
Oh, the pot was smaller last
Yeah,
time?
yeah.
Believe it, I take notice.
Yeah, man. They might jump out already.
They would have jumped out long time. Oh, what's up, boy? I jump out! One more. Oh, gosh.
And that's the beauty with crab, you know.
Yeah,
If some people are talking about crab, you can't boil the crab when them dead.
true.
Crab have life going on the pot.
True.
Dead
True.
crab sick people.
Oh, wow.
So if you come up and know one dead,
Yeah.
you have to just throw him away. And know
Once you get any and them dead, you just throw it away.
With a boiled dead crab. You
Wow.
notice my crab, everybody life in the pot.
Everybody are up and down.
Simple.
Wow.
So, you know, whole for life, me take a daytime. Whole for life, me take a daytime. See? Yeah,
Oh. Father,
man.
Father, man, say only for life for take a day time. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I mean, yeah, but me. All of that smoke, all of that seasoning, all of them crabs. With them, man. Jeez, this, man. Father, Paul, easy, though. You don't have to pull up at this spot. Me, I tell you, you won't be disappointed coming here. You're getting quality. You're getting real quality good food. Yes, man. Over fire every single day. Freshly done. Yeah, man. Just like that. And them smell good. They smell good already. Yes, man. Jeez, and these they smell so good already. Boy, Father Paul bade them crab them. Yeah, man. When him say bade them, it's no joke. As soon as him get them, if you don't come at this spot and no crab is here, that means supply them not carry no crab. But once him get crabs in the early morning before he even wake up, once him get him supplies, them come in and them get them paid off, because I thought the suppliers would actually clean the crabs before they Father Paul get them, but no, that's not the case. If them get them same way, so coming from the bush, coming from the crab bush, and him have to do the work here, clean them up early in the morning, fresh them up, put them in some more water for them go and bathe off them own self again, and stay in that water until the crab pot ready. Then they lift from that water straight into that bubbling pot of pure seasoning, pure scotch bonnet pepper, pure scallion, pure thyme, pure pimento, especially that pimento. That flavor the pot so good.
That sheena peel.
Oh yeah, that sheena peel up over there set up. And it's amazing. It's amazing the whole technique. So I go on. Oh. First touch him I get running going on.
Yeah. We have to story up now, all the bottom come up and see.
Yeah, man.
I take him time and come up and
Yeah, man. All of that juice, where it come from? Water?
Yeah?
You add water to it?
No. So much of, I remember that tomato, you know,
It's
spring
spring-
water.
Okay.
And the oil, this, you know, the oil and
Okay.
oil and the tomato, spring water. And the amount of tomato into tomato spring water. So, help.
All of that
Yeah.
juice.
No water, don't want any water to it.
No water at all.
No, that's the oil. That's the oil and the tomato, the two there, I take time base.
So
That's
all
spring
of that
water.
juice is from the tomato
From the
mainly.
tomato mainly.
Oh,
Yeah.
that man. All of the juice.
Alright, you don't want no water.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So it'll take time now.
Take him time. He's soon ready.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Straight
Oh,
up the yam
yes.
and put out and take.
Oh, nice.
Same routine every day.
Same routine.
Same
every day.
routine. Take time coming up. Yeah, drop some scallion and some seasoning and pot, you know. Scotch and everything.
All of them the fish soup.
Yeah.
Why you not around when it comes to seasoning of
Yeah,
all the
man,
people?
you
God,
know,
man.
that's the main thing about cooking, you know, you have to season your pot, you know.
True, true.
Some people are cook and now put season upon them in them food, you know.
True, true,
So that's why
true.
the food now no taste.
True.
Because the food alone can't cook, you have to have your scallion and thyme upon them in the pot.
True, true.
But we not talk about no powder this and no powder that and no
Yeah.
powder this. We talk about scallion and thyme and scotch and
Real
your
deal.
pimento and your garlic.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Only for scallion.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Holy
So they're gonna
for
have soup at the...
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
When you cut your scallion them so them flavor the pot more than when you throw them in the whole line.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Cut up scallion. Make everything boil out in your pot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, no powder.
No powder, no
No
powder.
Little to none, or just
Yeah.
none at all?
No powder. From morning you say no powder.
What?
No powder. We keep it same way from me tell you that from a long time.
What?
I same Paul, nothing change, you know. Same
What?
Paul. Same Paul. Same
Just
Paul.
pure natural seasoning.
Yeah, man.
Just
Oh, big
natural
man.
grown seasoning.
Yeah, man. Young season cooking now. Nah, change it. Grandmother style, me I deal with it now. So she learn for cook, you know.
True. True, true.
See it? So she learn for cook. See the pot? Yeah.
Gosh, man.
Yeah, man. It's cold skin them now.
Cows you not go and cook out?
Yes, man. My peas and my bus up there already, see?
Oh, yeah. That you want to see?
Alright.
Oh, yes.
Go to my pot soon. Say me do
Yeah, man.
everything them.
Oh, yeah. Start to see some of the saltfish.
Yeah,
come up
man.
there
So I
now.
need to put the starfish down
Down
and be
at
at
bottom.
yeah.
Yeah.
Lower part for the one leaf, it's so cold, so you don't know if they see them a come up now.
Yes.
Pick up the starfish and cut up the seeds upon the starfish there.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Hey, this is one of the nicest saltfish with seasoning, with onions and tomatoes and all of that. This is one of the nicest one you actually eat. Father Paul been doing this for over 30 years and him know when I do. I tell you now, he's been doing this for a while now. This is one of the nicest pot of a saltfish, roast saltfish with seasoning, brown seasoning and everything there you will ever try. If you not come at the spot here yet, then one and a half pass downtown. One and a half go downtown I travel to Hertfordshire. Anywhere just stop at Torrington Bridge, right here. In that little cutout, yeah. See there? And come try some of this. You're not gonna always see them two pot right there, so. You're not gonna always see two pot. And when the crabs are ready, you're not gonna go there, so. Yeah, man. crabs are gonna hang out on the roadside. Amazing. Yeah man. I've never tried this spot. Even if you don't eat crabs, a lot of stuff here to try. But I recommend you to stop and come try some of Father Paul stuff. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah man. By what time at the earliest somebody can pull up and get food?
And get yam and saltfish. Well, the first thing I read I'm on time, you know.
And this?
The boiled corn and yam and saltfish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And as me I tell you, say, by 10 o'clock them time the yam are always ready.
True.
10.
Wow.
See? And see,
So
earlier this morning, you know.
So you're on track.
Early this
Early
morning.
this
I tell you,
morning.
some more time if you left the guard town and reach up early, we can start prepare.
Wow. Wow. So if somebody come at 10 o'clock one morning, them
I
bound
forget
forget
yam
something.
and saltfish.
Wow.
Yeah man, and corn. Yeah man.
Wow.
I
True,
love
true.
doing this, you know. Yeah man, I love this man.
That's right.
Yes man, wake up a man time market, come prepare, sit down here so whole day, I love me that.
Just hear
I
it
love
like.
doing this man.
Oh, God,
Yes man.
Preparing fresh
Yes
foods
man, every
daily.
day. We go market every morning.
Wow.
Monday to Friday, every morning.
Wow.
Every morning we go market. I have to tell you,
Amazing, man.
I forget the crab them, you have to get fresh yam. Cause we can't buy yam in a bulk put on for roast.
True.
A yam stale. You have to get the yam, fresh yam every morning.
Okay.
You can't buy stale yam for going on soak or black. We have to buy fresh thing.
True.
Every morning when people come and say, then why you go every morning? I say, boy, you have to get fresh stuff.
True,
you don't
true.
want me to come roast piece of yam and look ugly on the stove. It don't look fresh and nice.
True.
Simple. So if we go to market every morning, get roast, get yam, get corn. Maybe we can buy the corn for your 2 days. Because if you see the corn, no, you
In a
can
bowl.
buy it for your 2 days.
True.
Because it will keep, because then at the shop, but the yam you can't buy it for your 2
Can't do
days.
that. For real.
Yeah.
Amazing, man.
Yeah, man.
Fresh. Oh,
Fresh,
it's
yeah.
amazing how you do it at
Yes,
daytime,
man.
brother.
Yeah, man.
And
It's a
I
joy
appreciate,
to,
I
man.
appreciate love that.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's why I picture the thing the right way. Because I love doing it, you know.
True.
Yeah, man.
True.
Love doing it.
Ghana Road.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes. Whoa.
Yes, sir.
But you say him done?
Yeah, man, it's done leaving, you know.
That be him, man. Him done, man.
Well, stew down and anything, you know. Yeah, right, come in. See?
Oh, this,
Over salt.
why this smell good?
Alright.
That be this smell real good.
Yeah, man.
That smell real good. Oh yeah, that pot of saltfish, pure goodness in that and that done. Yeah man, the pot come off of the fire so that fully ready. So only thing that want now are just some yam and some sweet potato roast. Yes man.
You know, if a customers come, I only want the roast saltfish. Me have the two of them prepared.
Yeah, so this are only the saltfish.
Yeah, this is only
Yeah.
These are the saltfish, just a roast.
Just a roast.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. So if you just want the saltfish only, it's available here. Just the saltfish without all of that oil and grease, because you know a lot of people might just want the saltfish only. And that's here as well. If you get with the roast yam and your sweet potato. But if you want the good old cook up, you want to see what the right is. Oh gosh.
Now I'm spray of kitchen.
So this is the technique of scraping that yam. Scraping, not peeling, scraping. A lot of people love eating even the yam skin itself. So it's only right to just scrape off that, make that so pretty and clean. And you get all of that yam skin, that good old yam skin. In your tomato mix up. Oh God man.
That's my roast one.
Oh,
Different
yeah.
from the one you cook up.
Oh yeah, mountain pile.
Yes.
Added to what it done there already.
Simple.
Ooh, more.
Pick up some more in there.
Just like that.
Grandmother say early burn catch a mouthworm, you know.
True.
Yeah, early.
True.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Nice. Amazing technique. You've been doing this for over 30 years.
30 years.
Oh, God.
Even more, because I left from school.
Probably even more too.
Probably even more. Left from school, I come here to help my grandmother.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So you see,
Look at that, man.
to put in the
Oh. Some people eat it with the skin too, though?
same way.
Oh, yes.
You have to kind of
yes.
clean off the skin.
Properly.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, man. You can go and stay close to the
Fast,
eat, yeah?
simple.
Oh, yes.
Eat.
Oh, yes. You know the thing. Yes. So when that saltfish finish, scale off and everything, it go dry.
Yeah, put it for dry.
Put it for dry.
Yeah. And then roast it.
And then roast.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's the process.
Simple.
Nice.
Whole peas.
Nice.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. One pot of goodness, sir, Father B? One pot of greatness, man. Look at that. Wow. This looking so good and the color coming on. Nice.
You know, red peas, so the pot I get ready.
Yeah.
Peas are bust up there now and are ready up.
Yeah. And the reason why I don't use chicken foot again.
The reason why I'm not use chicken foot is I tell them start cook so early.
Yeah.
And chicken foot going out the pot,
Yeah.
I just mash out.
That go mash out.
Yeah, by 1, 2 o'clock, be a bone.
Be able. So the people them not gonna get them chicken
No.
foot. You don't want that.
No, people them want meat.
True.
They want meat in them soup, cow skin.
True.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
So you have
Nice.
cow skin in the pot every time.
True,
Cow
true.
skin stay more longer than the chicken foot.
True.
Alright.
Nice.
A man buy a soup, he want meat in him soup.
True,
A
true.
man must definitely not eat meat and say, no meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you have to have something to put down. You can't just sell soup alone and no meat.
True.
Alright. That's why you have to have cow skin in the pot. When you eat cow skin, we give them beef.
Wow. Nice.
The meat is still longer than more than the chicken foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Original saltfish like when you buy a shop cooking. Real saltfish.
All of them are just dry right now.
Yeah, man. I put them in the sun and then dry and we get them ready.
Yeah.
We just roast when them dry.
Yeah.
Drain out the salt and
Yeah, man. Nice.
Real red pea soup.
Gosh, man. From scratch to where it is now.
Alright.
Oh, yes. Everyday fresh.
Everyday thing.
It's an everyday thing.
So my time when the people them come at the soup and it may have more to sell. So my
Right,
time
man.
customer come and no soup in the evening.
For real.
Best, yeah.
Oh, God.
But they don't know, just have to take it liquor by liquor and praise God.
True. And praise God.
Yes, man, you
Oh,
put
God.
that in
Love
it, man.
how you do that.
Yes,
Love
man,
how you
have to
put that in it.
Because he make it up possible.
True.
Yeah, man, he make it possible.
True.
So do the thing right, as I tell you, prepare the food right.
True.
Make the taste and people them comfy. Okay, you see it? You see my boy, my bubble.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Woo!
ready up.
You see it?
Look at
Yeah,
them.
man.
But color them up in
Yeah, man. You see it? Ready, them already, I know.
Your girls them stop go.
Woo!
Ready.
You say them a come now?
Yes, man.
Why the pepper kick, you know?
Oh.
Boy, I wonder if you see what go on. Wonder if you see what go on.
See?
Oh.
Yeah, man, them boy where that give themselves problems. See them now?
Yes.
Them boy that give themselves problems, but them a jump out the pot.
Are them this, you know?
Yeah, man. No more jump out the pot, them
more
a
jump
jump in
out.
a mouth.
Yes.
Ready for eat.
Yes.
So taste if enough salt in it.
Yes.
Well, know the pepper alright.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have to little more salt on it.
Just a little bit more
Yeah.
salt in him, because the pepper them enough, you know? Whoa.
No, very scallion and thyme and my pepper.
Gone a lead.
Gone a lay. Crab pot pretty.
Nice.
And that. I know next 20 minutes or
Yeah, man,
ready
lock
to
him
take off.
Lock him down there for the
Yeah,
pay.
man.
Him go and bubble on.
Alright.
Nice. And him lock down neat too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Mama Marcia, man. Dumpling gone in a pot. Yes. See, I take out a few of them.
Yeah, I take out now and put out now.
Oh, yeah,
Ready.
put them on the front.
Yeah.
Oh, so, oh,
Yeah, man.
I'm ready now.
Yeah, man, ready, so, man.
Oh, yeah. Respect, man. Give her thanks. Thank you so much.
Hot enough.
Yeah, man. Hot like fire.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is it. This is it. Father, please take them out of there. Out of there. What there? Oh, I'll get that foot.
Or season taste, man. Or season taste, man. Yeah?
I had a pay, man. Oh, cool. You can't get good on the rest of them.
Yeah,
And that's why you say with the pepper.
Yeah,
You
man.
can actually eat it and enjoy it.
Yeah, man. You see the pepper and overdo it. Overdo it. You taste your crab, you eat. Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah.
Why? Amazing. Oh, yeah. There's a big one in there for me.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Big mumpy.
Boil them down there and put them out there, the routine.
Yeah, that's the routine.
Yeah, man.
Put them on the front so everybody who pass can see.
Yeah, man.
All of the cars, them.
See Paul crab on the front, you know?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man. This is the vibe out here. So them stay upon a coal fire.
Yeah, man.
With
Keep
water.
warm, yeah.
Keep warm. Right, sure. Oh, yeah, put off it in there.
So everything out of the pot they are going at it. All them boys the way that jump out the pot.
Yeah, see them there?
See them here now? Ready to eat.
Yes, man.
Crab ready to eat.
Boy, people come out, people and smell the pot and know when they're ready. Yeah, man.
No, don't want no.
Know the hours.
Yeah.
That's the vibe. Yes, man. Amazing. So this is the technique for turn down the fire?
Yes.
Yes, I saw you turn down the coal fire.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So this is how you turn down the
So we
fire.
don't have no gauge, you know.
Yeah, no gauge no there, so this is the gauge.
Yeah.
Those two pieces of
Yeah, man.
barrel cover top.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Take off some of the fire. For
Take
this.
off some of the heat. Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See it? Nothing to something, you see it?
Oh, wow.
Nothing to something.
Wow.
Already see people come for them soup and get them soup and gone
Nice, nice.
already. Yeah.
Oh, yes. Respect for that.
This team and come out of
Oh,
them
God, man. Whoa. This is a fire here. Look at that. Just like that. Oh, yeah, all of that skin, that crunch.
Yes,
Yeah, here
man.
from the skin.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Oh, yes. Just like that.
I put it side over here so no, it's a fish over here so.
Yes. Oh, yes, respect.
Yeah.
Respect for that, man. Look at that, man. Man, a tomato, man, you know. I love a tomato. Yes. Not much of an onion, man. Okay, so when it comes to tomato, we have that juice. Oh, yes. Look on that. Look on that. Can't get no better. Can't get no better. The tomato juice there all over it. All that nice to drink. Yes, man. Nice. Respect. I say I'm this.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Respect, man. Give thanks. Oh yeah, this is the vibe right here at Father Paul and his mother Marcia. Oh, we'll have put some of that limeade. Oh yeah, but this yam. This yam. Oh, this yam. I'm gonna dip some of this and that, and all of that tomato juice. All of that tomato juice. All of that tomato juice, all of that seasoning, all of that salt. I want to get this out of the way for a while. Oh, so we have a mixture. The saltfish have a little mixture. Some roast, but some are not roast. Oh God, all of that roast one, if you never tried, you don't need to. All of that flavor, that little burnt flavor from the coal. Oh, mixed with all of that sweetness from the tomato with the saltiness from the saltfish. Oh, you get some of that tomato on it. And the good thing with this tomato, it's not steamed right out. It's not steamed right out. It just have that flavor with bounce in your mouth and popping juice. Follow me. Oh, you get it like this, man. Oh, you get the tomato like this. Just big, chunky. God. Hold on. Whoa. Oh, Father Paul, just get me that tomato so bouncy. It's amazing. It just have that texture like no other. It tastes different from actually when you cook it at your yard. That texture is bouncy. Oh. Get some of this saltfish on it. Oh yeah, So we can see that this is actually a piece of the raw saltfish. You can see the burn on the edge. Oh God. We'll get some of that saltfish with some of this tomato. What a mixture. Oh. Yeah, go through it. Oh, tomato just have a flavor. It just have a texture. That is so different. This is not saltfish, this is actually the yam skin. So they don't peel the yam, they scrape it so clean you can eat the skin.
Just 2 weeks with these 3 best exercises. The first exercise you have to do is simple jacks. Do 3 sets of 1 minute each. Full body fat will start reducing.
Amazing vibe here.
The second exercise you have to do
Let's
is
get some of the yam alone.
do 3 sets of 1 minute each, and your belly fat will start reducing.
Just the yam alone. And just that juice.
Is grow scotch. It is best to do 3
Sprinkle
sets
all over it.
You will get good
Amazing.
results. Follow the diet plan.
So we're gonna piece of this saltfish. This is just a raw saltfish. And it's not salt. Not salt. It's just right cheese and peas. So Father Paul managed to get out most of that salt out of it by soaking it in the water. Cheese and peas, you actually enjoy this. Oh.
That's why I love Jamaica, you know, because when you get Jamaica, you look one woman, you
Oh.
show yourself, man, you talk. When you are foreign, you are reminisce and remember that because you come with transmission and everything.
Amazing. Get some of this saltfish. Put a little more tomato on it. And Father please said no tomato price. When you come, you can ask you look more tomato. No, I'll try that. Look at this.
Yeah, man, ready.
Oh God.
13.
Let's just pair this with some yam. Oh, that's a vibe. It's amazing. It's amazing. It would never stop here. We don't have to stop and not miss out. We got this big chunk of saltfish. This is pure saltfish. And while we're here, let's try this corn. This is boiled corn, and this is actually boiled with not just water and salt alone. Have all of that seasoning in it, the thyme, the I think pepper in it also, scallion. Oh, and we get some coconut on the side. So this is a vibe here, especially in Kingston. You got boiled corn or the roast corn. I normally serve it up with a piece of coconut, fresh coconut. And you bite into the corn and then bite that coconut, get that flavor, that mixture. Sweet. Sweet and bouncy. Just pure bounciness in your mouth. It's a bounce. All of them little grains just pop in flavors. Let's go in with the coconut. Okay, go in. Oh yeah. Different flavor. This is sweet. Get a lot of coconut milk from it. You're tasting that coconut milk while chewing up that with all of the sweetness from the corn itself. Oh yeah. amazing. And these corns, always serve them up in the skin, in the trash. What makes this boiled corn so good is that they don't just boil just like that in pure water and salt. All of the seasoning necessary items going into the flavor that corn pot. So every grain of flavors. Oh yeah. Let's get some more of this saltfish and tomato. You can get a big lump, big chunk of this. Oh, a big chunk. This is a big chunk. This man's a boss at what he does every single time. Every single day you're getting fresh soup, freshly made soup, fresh corn, fresh crabs, freshly done saltfish with tomato cook up. God man. Amazing. I know one going at the crab. Land crab is a popular street food here in Jamaica. Very popular street food. Oh man. Especially coming down in this time, I think May, June, them time here is crab season here in Jamaica. Not true for that,
Yeah.
them time I hear getting the crabs,
yeah.
getting nice crabs.
Coming to crab season.
Coming into the crab season, so
Yeah.
it's coming into crab. Coming into crab season now, so now's the time to actually come in and start getting these crabs. We are gonna go down in some of them crab. I don't know the vibe. Oh man, just look on this big one. I actually hold one of this when it did live. Hold one of this, I think I the same one. Hold one of this when it did live. Go down in one of the foot already. It was amazing. Let's just go down in another journey there again. Right across Jamaica in this time, a lot of people catching up crabs. So you see it on the streets. You see it at the homes, people boiling up crabs, land crabs. The meat in these just goes so well with the flavors. The meat in these crabs just goes so well with the flavors. All of them, scotch, bonnet pepper, all of them, scallion and thyme. And these go right in the pot, live. So you start off with the foot and forget that little rev. So it rev up the vibes, kickstart for going at it. Big part. Right now as I speak, we see two pots out there on the fire right there. One is the soup, one is the corn, and we have two pots of crabs right out there. Oh, two pots of crabs out there. Oh, more water, more of that seasoned water go from that. Oh yeah, let's get some of this foot off. For the meat. These are meat right here. Meat, you see. Oh yeah. When I gotta open up the big pot, you know, you want to get in all of that, get out all of them food there. So look on the meat, man. Jeez. Oh yeah, this is it right here. And this is a male. So the female have a brother, the female have a brother underneath, as you can see right here. The male is more slimmer and also bigger. The males are also more huge. And this is a male right here. Oh yeah, let's get. They want to open this part right here. See what they want to open up. Oh yeah, they're going to come from the back. See them open up. Same procedure. Same procedure until they get out all of that. Oh, just like that. Oh, just like that. So all of this right here. A lot of people eat what's inside here. Some the female ones carry the eggs inside here also. So all of this right here. Go and scrape up all of this. This piece right here. All of these right here. Get them off. Oh yeah. Go and take the time and get them off. Clean that up nice. Oh yeah.
No, yeah, broke it like so and eat everything now. That
Oh yeah.
Everything that's of eat. You
That
don't
is it.
clean out, eat out the year already. That's
Oh yeah, so everything was
everything
gone.
Go
Everything was gone. For the piece, just go straight in it, just like this. Just like this. Mm.
See it?
Wow.
Yeah,
So
man,
once I get off all of these,
Yes,
I'm not
man.
sure what these are, probably them gills or what, but once I get off all of that, oh, all of this, Father Paul say I just flavor. All of them are just flavor for the crab itself.
You have a wash out. You have a wash out.
So once you wash it off, you wash off the flavor.
Simple.
Oh.
Fresh water, you would wash out.
Mm.
Alright.
So,
Yeah.
so nothing wash off.
No wash
Probably if
out.
it was the crab water now, that different.
Simple.
You dip it right.
Some of the crab water you want. But the crab water you could have dip in
Dip it in the crab water and get some of that
You don't
juice.
need, you don't clean it up fine already, you do everything right thing. So I just eat if you eat now.
So go on the right way.
Yes, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All of that are just pure flavor.
And you see,
Mm.
and you see what I talk about the 2 pound of pepper, you saw the crab nice, right amount of pepper.
Actually, it's easy to enjoy it.
Simple. Like now burn your mouth lip.
But you can't manage.
Simple.
Mm.
And we can't do the amount of wood pepper on the crab.
Exactly, because too much pepper will actually take away the flavor.
Alright.
You don't want to enjoy it like
Simple.
that. Mm. Just right amount.
Just right amount.
But you know, easy, not just right amount, no?
Yeah man, because I remember years we had to do this, you know. 2 pound of pepper versus scotchy can go with 5 little crab. Yeah man, you need a full pot of pepper for boiled crab.
Whoa.
A crab you want to eat and a pepper.
And a pepper?
No.
Mm. Just like that. Just like that. Oh yeah. Just stuff everything inside of the back. Oh yeah. Seeing this from scratch make you really think different about powdered season nowadays. Because just imagine this tastes so good.
Alright.
The flavor is there and I'll know me see you pull up powdered pack of seasoning
No, sir.
just off of the natural wrong seasonings. Oh, look on the juice, man.
Hello? No? Eh?
Wow. That's the right too.
What
All of that
buffalo?
juice. just run out. Left all of this meat.
Oh, yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah.
Well, Joseph's get to while ago. Sharp and crack around the big boy, you know. Get up most of this meat. That's how you go and get on the inside. As you can see right there. That's just pure meat. Oh, some of the meat gone already. Actually eat some of the meat already, but look at that. That's just pure crab. Fresh meat. This is a cow skin with beef soup. We see it from scratch. To literally see this from scratch, and we use 2 different pieces of this things to round red. What the peas am I use again? Round red. Round red and the what? And the A1.
Yeah.
That's the vibe. So from scratch, you actually see this from scratch. Saw this from scratch. It's amazing. How this come now. All of this texture. Oh, look on this. Yeah, man. Amazing vibes. And this have the cow skin in it. So I have the cow skin and the meat. Amazing. No chicken for me.
No pork.
No pork. No pork too.
Cool. Oh, I could just see what you see.
But we don't
Naturally
really eat
seasoned.
pork like that. Because we don't really eat pork like that. Like, I'm not even like picture, but every time we
This
use
is
picture,
naturally
we make
seasoned.
soup or stew.
No powder.
We don't really do it often. I can't eat pork neither, but when I put the stew,
No, you just start tasting a little pepper. Just a little spice. Just a little.
I don't really like it.
And that adds to the flavor. Oh, yo, this texture is amazing how this just come out from actually seed from scratch. Pure pimento upon this. This is the pimento upon this. Oh, yeah, the focus on my face, but pimento upon this. I have to choke that fit, that you get that flavor out of that pimento when you chew it up. Amazing.
Yes. Wrap it up for me, then eat it both in a day. 1 o'clock bells.
Oh.
I carry my soup with me, got champs, and I eat that both in a 5 bells.
And this is super hot and flavorful, and it's just pure natural season, pure scallion, pure thyme, pure pepper, all of them goodness, especially that pimento. No powdered season at all. Literally no powdered season going at this apata. This is so hot and warm. Piece of this big plate. That dasheen give it the body. Yeah, man. That dasheen just add to that body of the soup. No flour thickening, just natural thickening. And the people people take time to come in now. It's now lunchtime, it's not even 12 o'clock yet, and every single thing finish up. So if you pull up at 12, you have to get something. Amazing vibes here on the streets on Torrington Bridge. Oh yeah, tongue still scotch from that pepper from the crab. Plus the soup is hot. See if we can get a big gap out of this. Oh, this is the coast here. Not salt, not fresh, just right with pure season. It is all of that season flavor. All the brown season. It is amazing. The technique for Father Paul building. It is amazing to just watch. Even that saltfish, how you get out that salt out of the saltfish, literally fresh. You can't even tell that a saltfish I eat. Pure that all of that juice from the tomato. Pure soak in with just pure flavors from that all of that scallion, that onion, that tomato, that scotch bonnet pepper. Pure flavors. And if not use powdered season. Not use powdered season. In the pots, in the soup pots, in the crab pots, all of that is just pure natural vibes. Strictly natural vibe. And that's the vibe here at Paul and Marcia. Yeah, Amazing vibes. Father plate. Blessed. Love.
Blessed.
Peace and love every time. It's amazing. The food, the vibes. Crazy vibes.
Come all the way from Tampa.
Tampa, Florida.
Oh yeah?
Come eat soup and corn and yam.
Yes.
Oh
At
yeah.
the big man base.
Oh,
bless
yeah.
up, bless up.
Oh yeah. Blessings every time. Blessings every time. It's a vibe. People are pull up for them food. People know on the pot already. And the Mama Marcia right there, so she still a deal with corn. Still Bless up yourself. Big up yourself every time, Mama Marcia.
Thank
It's
you.
been a vibe. It's been a vibe. And thank you so much for the welcome. Both you and Father Paul. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Somebody come with them plate. Oh, look on this. So the yam are going at that. Yam and saltfish are going at that.
Yeah, man.
That's the vibe. Crazy vibes here at the spot. Yeah man. Amazing.
Let's sing.
Eh?
You saw this in the full this morning.
Yes.
Tell us the people like the onion and tomato, man.
Oh, gosh.
So if you have more of your prepare.
So more tomato go in or something.
More tomato and more onion.
Gosh.
Yeah, man. So if you tell it to me, I always have to have extra tomato.
Oh God man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
People come and want tomato, you know. Extra tomato, you know, you have to cook up again.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Yam. Only for yam if you go back on fire.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, super amazing. A lot of people there come for them soup.
Yeah.
Saltfish they on fire. Tomato go cook up back. Put in a pot again.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, all time everybody want them tomato. You can't have the customer them come and no tomato in the pot.
Yeah man.
Alright.
It's a crazy vibe. The pot and tomato almost done. The pot and tomato and saltfish almost done. So what's up here? Do more tomato that we have put up. Go in and pot. Simmer down. Yeah man. Father big people them love it man.
Yes, man. We love it.
Gosh man.
So we have to, we have to prepare the thing
Second
early.
dose.
Yeah, man, can you see it? You hear when you see it, man, you have to press it down and see it.
God man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, the tomato is just different.
Alright.
All your day thing is just different.
Yes.
It's amazing man. Yeah man.
One the wet, you know. Hmm? You think can't catch it?
Can't catch it, my uncle. This is a generation, yeah.
Pretty.
Oh gosh. Second dose.
Yeah, second pot of evening for the roast jam and fish. Because you see, this go right down.
Oh god.
Most
Man.
fishing and some new want to get back
People
some food.
need this.
Yeah. The saltfish, the seed roast.
All of this are going there.
Yeah, man, I pick it up in on this now. If I have that taste and enough people think that me not do nothing to it. I have to hide some of the things from them.
This pot ain't normal, man. Yeah, man. That's second pot of saltfish cooked up with tomato and onion and all of that. Yeah, but crazy vibe. That's a second pot right there. So no one a normal thing. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes here. As you can see. Yeah, man. The crabs, soup, the corn, and that special yam with the tomato and everything. Amazing, man.
I can't the master.
Yeah, pie be the one that can't.
Yeah, but not yet.
No,ไม่โกง
I can't feed.
Brother, that. One more pot of goodness.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
One
First pot run out of pure red.
Run down.
Run out of red. So you have to load him up back of pure red.
Load him up again.
Oh, yes. Amazing, man.
Catch him.
Nice. In there.
Ready?
In there.
Eat all of them fish and things, you see? Jesus Christ.
Oh, gosh, man.
But load again.
Oh, gosh, man. But load up
Ready
again.
Yeah, man. But
Oh,
ready for them
man.
set I am now.
Oh, gosh. Ready up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Amazing. So the second pot ready. Look at that run this up. In no time we see all of that saltfish. And all of that tomato, especially that tomato.
Remember, see soup?
No time we see it
You
run
see the
out.
soup where you see the third thing? Check the soup pot, you see?
Almost half it gone already, you know. Cheese and cheese. And what time you know? Cheese about just after one.
Alright.
Whoa.
No play.
Wow. Everything just a move. People just a pull up and just a get what them need to get and just a move. These are the hot spot. These are the vibe right here from Torrington Bridge. Bless up every time for that pay, man.
Every time.
Every time. Yes,
Remember, always check here stuff. Come get your roast, yeah, man. Solve it. Me and my mother.
Always.
Marcia and Paul. Every time. Right
Every
here.
time.
Right here.
Every time.
Yeah, man.
So Mama Marcia, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Blessings to mother.
Yeah, man.
Peace and love every time.
Remember, you know the crab season too, you know.
Yes, sir. You know
Come
what
get the
time it
crab,
is.
you know.
Especially now.
Yes.
At the right time for them pull up.
Yes,
them
man.
time, yeah.
Get your crab, them.
Yeah,
nice
man.
Crab. See?
Now at the time for pull
No
up
other
for the
time to
crabs.
come pick up and get your nice crab. Them.
Yeah. I you still do it? You still ship out crabs?
Still ship out crab. Order from Brooklyn, New York, anywhere. People come down for it.
Once them want it.
Once them want them, link bar every time. Right
Blessings.
here. Yeah, man.
Every time.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. The vibes.